Okay, guys, real proud of you. We're at page 4. Down toward the bottom, they have this little problem. They have a value for x of being -4. This is a tricky brand of problem. It fits another one that goes with quadratics and solving equations. But I'm not going to go there right now. I just want to make it easy. It's really a simple problem. If x has a value of -4, then what does this FOIL equal? Now, here's the thing. Plug the value of -4 in for x. Don't FOIL the thing. It's that simple. And let's go over here. Let's start with this one. Do you notice if x is a -4 and you add 4, what do you have in that parenthesis? You got the key to the whole thing, guys. 0. What is 0 times anything? You got it. They're just seeing if you know that simple procedure. Now, if you put the -4 here, -4 plus 3 is what? Sure, -1. Big deal. -1 times 0, still 0. That's how you do it. Simple? Good. Hey guys, on the AccuPlacer, there are what are called gatekeeper questions. And part of the pass that gets you through to the test we want to take are the gatekeeper questions. And one of them that I think we've seen over and over is a word problem similar to this one here. And it's in the middle about talking about a collection of dimes and nickels. The total of the dimes and nickels was 10 dimes plus what? 5 nickels. Got it? And it goes on to say that they want to divide that amongst how many people? Well, the key word on the word problem is what? Divide. Yeah. How many people? 5 people. Now, how complicated is that? What is 5 into 10? You got it. 2, and these are D. You keep it as an equation looking thing. That's an algebra type process. What's the sign? Good. What is 5 into 5? There you go. 1 nickel. 2 dimes, 1 nickel. I have geniuses all the time. Mr. Rhodes, that's 25 cents. Well, those are money. I mean, this will be the answer that I believe they will be looking for. Got it? Good. Get it right. Okay, maybe the hardest problem on the page, and it's not that hard, is a triangle problem. We're talking about the area of a rectangle. No, triangle. You know, a triangle is just half of the area of the rectangle. If you just extend it, it's not there. If you flip this over, it's the same size. You can see by my exact drawing that's, yeah, okay. Now look, the area of the triangle, they give you the equation, equals what? Right? Is means equals in your word problem. The base, the length of the base, right? Times what? The height. The height, the base, right? No, that's terrible. Now, instead of h, what do they give us? And what do? It's base times height is the area of the whole rectangle. You cut it in half, so it's this divided by 2, isn't it? That's your equation. Got that? If you're confused, come see me. Just drive over, whatever. No, I'm just playing with you, man. Look, area. It's what? 45. That's the number they gave you is the area, right? It equals what? The base, which is 15. You got that? That's 15 times what? What's the height? X. They give you an unknown there. How terrible. Are you scared or are you confused? No. Just put the X in there. And what do you have? All divided by 2. Look, guys, all you got to do is get rid of that 2 and the 15. There's a lot of ways to go at it. The easiest way to do it is I teach the whole packet this way. If you multiply this by 2, you get rid of that 2. But you have to have an equation, have it equal. If you multiply that side by 2, you got to multiply this side by 2. I suggest you work it this way. Some of you geniuses can do something else. I don't care. Get it right. Be careful. Be consistent. 2 times 45? Yes, there you go. 90. What happens to these 2's? You always cancel the bottom piece out. The goal is to get rid of it. It's gone. There's nothing left here except for what? 15x. There you go. So what is the value of x? What is that height? It's real simple. Get rid of the 15. Divide by 15. Divide by 15. And of course, your x is left because you cancel that out. X equals 90 divided by 15. X equals 6. You are a genius. That's how easy it is. Get familiar, not hard. Great.